Friends, Oppo Reno 13 has a 6.59-inch touchscreen display, which is powered by a 3.35 MHz octa-core processor. It comes with a 16GB of RAM. The Oppo Reno 13 runs Android 15 and is powered by a 5600 mAh non-removable battery. The Oppo Reno 13 supports wireless charging as well as 80-watt fast charging. As far as camera concerned, the Oppo Reno 13 on the rear packs a dual camera setup featuring a 50 megapixel primary camera and an 8 megapixel camera. It has a single front camera setup for selfies featuring a 50 megapixel sensor with an f or 2.0 aperture. The Oppo Reno 13 based on Android 15 packs 1TB of inbuilt storage. The Oppo Reno 13 is a dual SIM supported mobile, while Oppo Reno 13 Pro has a 6.83-inch touchscreen display powered by a 3.35 MHz octa-core processor. It comes with 16GB of RAM. The Oppo Reno 13 Pro runs Android 15 and is powered by a 5800 mAh non-removable battery. The Oppo Reno 13 Pro supports wireless charging as well as 80-watt fast charging for charging. As far as the cameras are concerned, the Oppo Reno 13 Pro on the rear packs a triple camera setup featuring a 50 megapixel primary camera, an 8 megapixel ultra wide angle camera and a 50 megapixel telephoto camera. It has a single front camera setup for selfies featuring a 50 megapixel sensor with an f or 2.0 aperture. The Oppo Reno 13 Pro runs ColorOS 15, is based on Android 15 and packs 1TB of inbuilt storage. It also supports dual SIM.